Hey guys, Coman sent me this tripod for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use, whether you're using a camera, cell phone, or lighting equipment, and I wanted to show you how innovative this thing is. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this is very rugged. It's made out of this very heavy-duty aluminum alloy material, but it's also the perfect size. You can stick it in your backpack and take it on your camping trip, day trip, to work, or anywhere you might need a tripod. Now to use it, it's real simple. You're simply gonna unlock the legs by pressing here. There you go. You can see how sturdy it is. It's got the non-slip surface over here. It's even got these holes down here in case you want to put stakes into the ground. Now to expand this thing, it's real easy. You're simply going to turn counterclockwise and pull. There it goes. And then to lock it, you simply turn clockwise. Nice and stable now. But the best part about this tripod is the quick release system up here. Now they give you a few different attachments here for cameras, for lighting systems, and for your cell phone. You're simply going to press down over here, put the desired attachment in place. If your camera has a tripod screwed down here like this one does, and most do, you're simply going to screw it onto here to put it onto the tripod. You can see the nice hold there. But instead, if you wanted to use your cell phone, you're simply going to screw this one on either horizontal or vertical. Okay, I got this attachment nice and tight here for the cell phone. Now I'm simply going to slide this over to the right. That's going to lock this attachment in place so it's nice and secure. The spring-loaded system here is going to hold your cell phone nice and snug as well. Now over here, you're going to have a tilt feature. You can see the adjustability here, and over here it's going to allow you to pan left and right. So it's high quality, highly adjustable, easy to use, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a tripod either for their cell phone, camera, camcorder, or lighting equipment.